Hi everyone, welcome back. I am Sandy if you're new, and I am going to be playing around with these tags today. I made these on my live recently. I'll link it down below, but I used the Distress paints, and one of the things I love about the Distress paints is once they are dry, they are waterproof. And so now if I wanted to add some other sprays or other inks, it won't reactivate these base colors. I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate how I painted these tags for this video, so you don't have to go back and check out the live. But there's some other fun stuff on the live if you want to check that out. But I am going to be using these Distress paints, Blueprint Sketch, Rusty Hinge, and Tattered Rose. And I have my water spray bottle. I'm also going to put a glove on so that I don't get ink all over or paint all over my fingers. And I'm going to set these over on my desk to dry. You could also use your heat gun or your heat tool to dry these if you want them to dry quicker. And then I have cut down, this is the extra heavy cardstock at Hobby Lobby, and I've cut them down to 2.5 wide by either 5.5 or 6 inches tall, and then I have a couple that are 3 inches wide by 5.5 inches tall. So this is 2 pieces of the cardstock, and look at all these tags that I've made. I think it's like, I don't know, 10 or 12 tags out of 2 pieces of paper. And I'm going to start, I'm going to shake these up real quick. And as Tim Holtz says, you get what you get and you don't throw a fit. So that is the thing to keep in mind. I am going to try this on this mat. I also did it on my glass mat, so I thought I would try it on this mat just to see if I get any different results. And then I'm just going to wet the tag a little bit, and then I'm just going to dip it in and see what happens. Yeah, see, I think I might like the glass mat better. This is a little too much paint for me. I'll go ahead and finish this one. And then I'll get the glass mat out and show you the difference. Okay. And then, yeah, so that's just, and what I can do is just daub off any of the excess that I don't like that. And then we'll try to get a little more of the Tattered Rose. Actually, I'm kind of liking this. Okay, so I might keep going on this, and at the end I'll do a couple with the glass mat. I'll just do one more, and then we'll do the glass mat real quick, and then we'll get back to the rest of this video. That's kind of cool. I do like these. These are nice. All right, let me grab the glass mat and I'll show you how it looks on the glass mat. I think it'll look really similar now that I've done a couple of these. I grabbed the glass mat and I put a little daub of the paint down, and we'll see if this reacts any differently than on the first mat. Just kind of spruce it around a little bit. So it's a little bit brighter, which I don't hate. A little more intensity to the color. which isn't necessarily a bad thing. I want to add a little more, oops, pink though. Oh, that's pretty. Gosh, I might like the results better on the glass. Depends on what kind of look you're going for, so keep that in mind. And I've made these for my little mini mushroom junk journal collection. And I pulled out just some different things. So I'm going to play around with how I might want to decorate these. And yeah, let's get started. One thing I like to add to my tags is to add a little bit of background. And I have this stencil that has some alphabet on it. And also this kind of like a flower or tree branch with leaves and flowers on it. So I think I will put a little bit of that on here. And I am going to use Vintage Photo. Now these are going to my patrons. So I am going to do some of the decorating here, but then I'm going to provide them with some pieces that they can then decorate as well. So I think that's really cute. And these are smallish tags. They're about 2.5 inches by 5. So I thought I don't need a ton of stenciling in the background. Let's see. Let's put this over here maybe. Nice. And then we'll put a little bit here. And then maybe just a touch up here. Yep. Yeah. And maybe just a little bit in the middle. Yeah, like that. And then I also have these fun little washi stickers. And I thought that that would look good on here as well. And I am going to tear, I kind of like the torn look on the washi, so I'm just going to tear that like that. And then just put this along the edge. I like that it's see-through. The background, I think they're just really pretty. And so then what I'm also going to give with them is a little mushroom sticker that they can use. And then also a Tim Holtz stamp. And I'll show you one here. I have one that I made for myself. So let me get that together. So I think if we put the washi sticker and then I love these Tim Holtz stamps. And I thought we could find one that might work well with the colors in these tags. So I like this one. Let me get up a little bit. So if you don't have any of the distress paints, then just get your inks out or any other type of paints that you have. I think I want to put the stamp down first. And then I'm going to put that right there. I thought about adding some fabrics and things like that, but I think I'm going to keep this one kind of a clean look. I do want to add a little bit of this Tim Holtz aged tape I thought that might look cute on here to put that, kind of hold that in place. So I think that looks really cute. I might even put the stamp on top of the sticker if I were to, so suggestion going forward. But it's as simple as that. So my patrons will get this tag, and then they'll get the mushroom stamp, a postage stamp, and a little bit of the aged tape. And then they can turn this into a tag. The other thing I'm going to do is trim these down. Like that. So that is just adorable. So cute. All right, guys, thank you so much for joining me. I hope this gives you some ideas and you get your different supplies out of your stash and have a little bit of fun. All right, I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.